But you see, sometimes when we are such opening, we attract some people. Because I'm pretty sure she always dream of a knight in shining armor, in spite of her situation and image. She always dream of a knight in shining armor and end up with a killer. I talk about today. She be make tell you the topic. Jamaican woman make Jamaican man kill them. Yeah, I say the soldier will kill. But I can't bother with one of them topic. I can't pick up one of them topic. Them topic they not gonna win. At any time now, if we never chat the policeman, the one will chat away. Oh. But we no want chat that. See policeman there and the woman. Everybody feels their life are one good. Sometimes you know people have mental struggles and just want something to keep it up. I don't know if you stay in that area there, you know. Because the baby father do me and he might come home to you and a little applicable and me in a you, so the children they are born with the whole away. We can't help that part there. It's true. Because him commit the crime, Danny Gandu said, tell us the demon and walk around. You think it's a problem? You think it's a bundle woman game? You think say that is a problem? It's the soldier, I mean. Sorry, baby. Sorry, soldier. You think away him there are problems and the problems, you know? And the problems are demons. Yes, when your house not set in order, I don't care what you want to say. I don't care what you want to say. It's a demon and it will get worse too. You don't see nothing yet. You saw the man just done away with she and gone in and it's just nothing. It's just nothing. You see the old man eat the bun from the bun contest and dead and it's just nothing. It's just nothing. Everything is just like, okay, yeah, it done. Oh my God, I chose something. Yeah, go forget. You know, it just done a demonic entity them there. A demonic entity. Because when you hear the man going to the station and say, please me, I beg you, kill me. Kill me. It simply means him just realize what him do. You never know. It don't make sense to know until it reach on the door. Yeah, it don't make sense to until it reach on the door. You see? How much of this world you gravitate to is how much of it destroy you. Biggie, you want my baby? Roxanne good as well, I say. Nas, big up yourself. The amount of Mirel is when you gravitate, Mary is when you gravitate to much of this world is what you place your trust in and it will kill you. You never know. Because a lot of times people say, people have them hand for me. No, sometimes nobody now obey you. Sometimes it's your own opening and it will get to you. You never know. Because you sit on there every single day and welcome demonic entities and your body cannot take it no more. They are going to tell you to do things. Just like if you sit on here so you lose your work, you start thinking about people where make it. That's a lie. That's a lie. How can you and I be together in one simple argument that may take your life? I can't ignorance so because you're not attacking me. I'm not in survival mode. You understand me? So it cannot be on a normal level. That's why you see the quote won't tell you now. Yes, when time people prosecute you, they won't tell you because they will look at the nature and the basis of which you could commit such a crime because there is no leeway, there is no loophole. It can't be just a matter of the heart. You must preconceive this over a period of time. You have to preconceive this. Touch out. You have to. It's not a reflex action. Me no know that something just, it just happened, it never happened. The reality just chip in. It never just snap. It never just snap. But you see, because you're under such a force, it seems as if it's the right thing to do. You know, like to get back at somebody, and if you not get back, if you not belch, you just can't sleep, it can't settle with you. It's a build up. But you're only under the influence, that demonic influence that tell you that it hurt you more than it should, and you should react this way that would suit you, not realizing that after suiting you there's a penalty that you cannot endure. Somebody block that girl here for me now, Sasha Goodbody, please and thanks. Hurry up. Hurry up, just block her. Don't mute her, block her. Yeah. You understand what I say? You have to understand when you see these things as signs. Remember, we not throw bomb, we not fight a jet, we not see things that come over we and come out of we, we not see them something there. Remember, we are not seeing those things. So it's whatever prediction can come out, it will come. Look at these things. A fabulous young man and a fabulous young lady. You understand me? What you have to say? A fabulous young man, a fabulous young lady. And what happened? One lose them life and one gone to jail. Him not have no explanation as to why him kill her. Him not have none. None as to why. You never know. None as to why. But this is sometimes when we are such opening to attract some people. Because I'm pretty sure she always dream of a knight in shining armor. In spite of her situation and image. She always dream of a knight in shining armor and end up with a killer. You see, sometimes in our situation get the best away, our selection become our master. We just select anything at all, anything, and everything glisten and gold. Later, my baby, later, Kumar, and everything glisten and gold, you know. You never know. And everything glisten and gold. And I always say, sometimes you don't take the correct individual. Sometimes you don't. They say, I will forever sit on this live and talk about when Nisha in her sickness and how we monetize the whole of the girl's sickness. Where is the love? Who you appear yourself with? Who are you pairing yourself with? That's the big question. Sometimes we don't know who we appear yourself with. Him tell himself say, anyhow she left him and that him gonna do. Yeah, yes, of course. And that thing, I'm gonna talk this already, you know. Let me say this to enough of you. Enough man, now here how you see them a road a go on, they are scared. Why you say them scared, Shibi? Them unsure about their ending. Enough man out there big coward. Them want something for lockdown with just in case rainy day come. You ever hear people say, put down till rainy day? Enough of them take people, girl pick me and put them down till rainy day. Not until for them rain start fall. You never know. You never know. Most men go for girls and lock them down. Girls who don't have much exposure and experience. And go and like say 5 grand and 8 grand and 10 grand of money. Me do your ear and your nails when I can and it feels good to you. Go and wash my clothes, go and take care of the house, go and take care of the place. Me have a woman that come home to me have girls a road. Not girls, not girls. Me have girls a road. But go and take care of this. My safe zone while I still live my youth. When I'm even 400, I still live my youth. And that enough for woman settle for. A lot of you females settle for that. Desperation in our crutches and in our heart. We don't take anybody. And it's true. You have to learn. Me I get old and me not no companion. Go die alone. Go die alone. Go and go dead alone. Shebby is so disrespectful and harsh and have no understanding. What you mean people for die alone? Okay. A whole heap of girl and boy me see die in a misery. Whole heap of girl and boy me see have a relationship and it stress them, kill them. Go die alone. Do you see there? But Shebby, that's too harsh. Go die alone. So okay, you rather die in misery. Fine. Then you rather die alone and peaceful. You take time to repent. You take time to see the mistakes of your past, present and future. So you rather die in misery then. You rather die being surveillance camera for the relationship. Oh, I see. I see. So you want to make tea, give man and all when your teeth drop out and you go, you're busy as same as your bone. Exactly, the harsh reality, bam. Yeah. Go die alone. Are you alone coming to the world, you know? Are you alone coming to the world here? Everybody where God did put with Adam, this him. When Adam did never have no company, it was peaceful. But no, everybody where God put with Adam, Lilith and Eve, give him problem. Somebody said, Jesus I watch where paint Easter egg. And I wonder if I'm that thing dead for. But Shebby sometimes it's not only the ladies. No, it go both ways. But since me I talk to the ladies, we talk to them, yeah. If Nisha did part from our long time, you don't think Nisha would be living today, dear? If Nisha did part from our long time, you don't think Nisha would be living today, dear? You see, sometimes death don't only come physically, death comes spiritually. And you see, spiritual death involves emotion, psychological, every alcohol, my call, you call, we call. You never know. Sometimes you're in a relationship and you're going but you're not going. Sometimes me and you know so that boy is not your man. Me and you never know, me and you don't know that. Why do you think we fight and the things that leave us drain? All of we are addicts, one way or another. The things that is not good for us is the thing that drain us, is the thing that hurt us, is the thing that we yearn for. You never know. All of we are addicts. Some relationship, we lay down in our bed, we stand up in our kitchen, we in our bathroom, we stand up on the toilet seat, we brush our teeth, we watch TV, every single thing, and we know this relationship ain't for us. But instead of breaking it off, we perpetuate it. How many times have we done that? Me not ready yet. Me not ready yet. How many times have we done that? Thank you very much. Unforgettable girl. Yeah. Fear of loneliness. But you were born alone. You were born alone. You know, if you're born in a family of 80, you were born alone. And that's the thing we miss. You were never meant to be a family person, you know. You were meant to be a renegade. But because she love her sister and she love her sister and them love them one another, you just join. You're born alone, and that same family trait resonates into your relationship. You discipline your family then, but you can't discipline your man. You never know. We're all addicts. Exactly. And you never see a double casket. You never see a casket them line up so. And everybody in a one casket and one covering. Yeah, side and side. You're still alone. Sea breeze, what happened? You're still alone. That is why you see people pack up dance hall and come out of them house at night time and have to group up with people so till after hours. You're scared. You don't even accept yourself, but you want people to respect you. The moment person starts seeing you different is the moment when you truly find yourself and can stick by yourself. You see a man who go in a crowd, you see the moment he starts sticking by himself is the moment he's not going to see everybody for who they are. You never know. It's not okay, Dr. Shibi. It's not okay, Dr. Shibi. Then you have somewhere you should have known another okay, Dr. Shibi. You have like a rocket science. A multiple choice and a rocket science. You are okay, Dr. Shibi. Eh? You are one of them people there. Where friend people and with the mask of friendship, but deep down inside you are a competitor. You are one of those persons. That's who you are. You never know. And if you can't spell my name, don't try. My name not Avi, not E, not the Ramsey. If you can't spell my name, don't try. Yeah. That's why you found to perpetuate the same mistake. Shibi, but why though? Why what? Why what, sister? Because I don't know what I say. Why what? Itanisha? Why what? Well, and Itanisha has a question. Yeah, why what though? Wait, where are we from Tanisha? Mom, beg you want cranberry now, please? Hello. Tanisha, we are weird. Okay, see as if she got a question in the picture. Yeah, why what? No, Fred, the one question she asked, maybe about what may I say about the man and the woman, so... No, she said why though? Eh? Why what?
First in turn, son of Baron Eric.
Why we have to wait for them people though? Then that's some me couldn't afraid, after me came me couldn't afraid. You say auntie why though? Why what? Cause me don't know what you talk about my baby. I don't know. Can me talk about it for something? Can me say sometimes some of the women them better off without a man. If Nisha did live over a long time, Nisha would still be living today. She would still be living today. Sometimes some man just not good for you. Sometimes is your greed, you know? Is your greed. You see, this is why we don't take ownership, you know? This is why we always project our insecurities on others, you know? Because guess what? You see, because we know the mistake are ours, and we make the mistake, yeah? We feel like fool. For say, you know, say, me did see certain play, you can't say it. You cannot own it. From me, big up yourself. You cannot own it. You understand me? But what if we start owning all our faults? Life would have been much easier for us. You never know that. You can't in a group, you know, this is the thing we are talking. When you're in a group and you're not claim to sound tight, but everybody I keep secret from somebody. Me have the time to keep secret if I somebody case. Me are not that type of friend from a hold back certain secret where strain me. No. I want somebody to talk to me, not carry nothing on my green. Here, how much of a friend may you be, you know? Look you type me, you being able to take trips all over the world, you know. But there's something I'm hiding and there's something you're hiding. Why? Are we really friends? TikTok I filter it. Yeah, carry the secret to God. Yeah, that is so true. Then why me go call you my body? Me stop calling friend and call your sister. Me stop calling friend and call your brother. But nothing that makes sense in our walk because I'm still hiding from you. I can't even tell you my secrets and you love it, or you endure it, or you respect it, or you walk with it. I can't. We always the power P and we Q that one day. That one day. You know that one day? Yeah man, that one day. One day we might kick off. One day we might not be. Then why would I walk with you? Me not fast in people business. Instead me my friends. You tell me what you want to tell me. Because number one, there is nothing you can hide from me. You can't tell people everything. That is so true. Then why you need people in your life? You can't tell people everything but loneliness will kill you. Go on here, girl. Nah, I don't. Not that you're wrong in my baby, but me just say. You get what me say how stupid we are. It's true. You can't tell people your business, but yet still we need you. We need you. Me no want you. I take you to the mercy throne. Sometimes me and God sit down and laugh. And God say, you know, you're stupid. And you know, you're going to do it again. And I say, God, that's true. Yeah, man, you'll do it again. You are going to. And you say, mighty God of Daniel, everlasting Father. Yeah. It's just the truth. You know, body attack. When Slicky and a man did kill her, everybody come up and say, Jesus! Jesus! Everybody come up and say, man wicked, a man this. And because it's an unknown girl and an unknown man, Jamaica not care because the bun never kill one entertainer. The bun kill a dirty old man. Nobody do business. You never know it's all funny. Bun kill man. It's all funny. That's how we are as a people. Shay, why not go move and send that pan Jaden body? Why not go send that pan Jaden body, Shay? Shay go send that pan Jaden khaki. I saw the do and buy me out. I can't come into the World Cup, Shay. Send 6 more wheel. I'm still not into the World Cup. I'm now coming to the World Cup dirty, Shay. I want you big old. Yes, you will tell me come up here. I want him to you ever buy me a juice when you collect your dividends. Then it's who you rob now, goodie. Anybody who you rob supposed to have ball. I want him with your share. On a little bit of life and this. Then what are we going to talk about? Oh, the man got the boy yard. For beat him up and bad him up when everything was just to build the page. When a wicked here can not stop. All in a crucifixion and not tell lie. Another wickedness. Shame. Shame. Mind the blood of the world come by your shoulder. Shay, you have to come back later. Me rob Jaden. Then Shay couldn't climb up on the mission. You know how long I want to rob that boy if you ever go to and geese, you know what? Because Jaden image engraft in favor goat and geese. I not tell no lie on him, I'm a man in favor goat and geese in a one and him like push up him face in the phone, Shay. You could call me.